Optimizing your travel budget can feel like a balancing act, getting the best deals on flights, hotels, and experiences while keeping costs down. That's where Navan comes in, offering a powerful platform to streamline and optimize your travel expenses. In this video, we're diving into how you can use Navan to maximize your travel budget, whether you're planning a business trip or a personal getaway. Stick around until the end, because I'm also going to share an exclusive way for you to access this software for free, with added bonuses. Navan is designed to simplify and automate the process of booking travel and managing expenses. It integrates everything from flights and hotel bookings to car rentals and itinerary management, making it much easier to stay within budget. It's not just about finding cheap options, it's about finding the right options based on your preferences and ensuring you stay on track financially. And you can use this powerful software completely free through the first link below. The platform's intuitive interface and smart features allow you to quickly compare travel options, making it easier to optimize travel budgets. Let's say you're flying for business. Navan can help you filter your options based on price, timing, and even preferences like preferred airlines or direct flights. This saves you a ton of time, ensuring that you're not only getting the best deal, but also the most convenient one that suits your specific needs. One of Navan's most impressive features is its ability to automate the booking process. You can set specific criteria for your trips, like preferred destinations or price ranges, and the software will recommend options based on your budget. This means you don't have to sift through endless search results manually, letting you focus on what really matters. But what about your travel expenses? Well, Navan makes expense tracking seamless. Every booking you make is automatically recorded, so you have a clear overview of how much you're spending. You can easily see if you're on track with your budget and adjust your plans accordingly. This integration is a game changer for anyone who struggles with keeping track of travel expenses, especially during longer trips with multiple bookings. For businesses, Navan's expense reporting tools are invaluable. Managers can approve travel bookings, monitor employee travel expenses in real time, and enforce travel policies, all from one dashboard. It's a major efficiency booster, reducing paperwork and making it easier to manage corporate travel spending. Now, if you're thinking about using Navan for your next trip, here's a tip that can help optimize your travel budget even further. Take advantage of their exclusive offers, especially when booking for multiple people. You can often score discounts by bundling services like flights and hotel accommodations, which Navan conveniently suggests based on your travel details. The system can also provide insights into peak travel times, so you can plan your trips for off-peak seasons when rates tend to be lower. You may be wondering, what's the catch? Well, there isn't one. Navan offers a free trial, and you can even access it for free with exclusive bonuses when you click the link below. This gives you a chance to test out all of the features with zero risk. From optimizing your flight choices to controlling hotel and rental car costs, Navan helps you make smarter decisions and stay within your budget. So, if you want to take control of your travel expenses and maximize your budget, Navan is the perfect tool for the job. Whether you're a solo traveler or managing a team, it's designed to make your life easier. Remember, you can access it completely free through the link below with added bonuses. By using Navan, you'll optimize your travel budget while making smarter decisions about your bookings. It's time to stop wasting time and money. Get started with Navan today and make your next trip both efficient and affordable. Don't forget to click the link for your exclusive extended free trial. Happy travels!